Storm destroys historic beach bar and restaurant in Fuengirola. The historic Botavara Chiringuito beach bar and restaurant on the seafront in Fuengirola is the one that has suffered most, so far, from the gale force winds and high waves that have been pounding the Costa del Sol all day. Waves almost 3 meters high, with a lull of just 5.6 seconds between them, have caused serious damage, both to the platform where the front terrace was located, which has been literally engulfed by the sea, and to the structure and side entrances of the restaurant, which is one of the veterans on the Rey de España promenade in the Costa del Sol town. And the worst is yet to come. Spain's Met Weather Agency has an amber level alert in place for the rest of today and tomorrow, due to easterly winds of 60 to 70 km per hour, force 8, and waves of 4 to 5 meters, although they could peak in the early hours of Saturday morning between 8 and 10 meters. Malaga City, the Costa del Sol and the Guadalhorce Valley are also on alert for maximum gusts of wind of up to 90 km per hour.